Hello, dear friends. So, from now today, we are going to start the chapter number 6 of class 10th mathematics, that is triangles, and it's going to be a very interesting topic. And from the exam point of view, this is most important. Just remember this, okay? So, now let's get into this chapter. Let's dive deep now. So first we would be discussing about the similar figures. What are the similar figures? Means two figures. If you have been given two figures, so two figures are similar if they have same shape but not necessarily the same size. Size can be same also, but it is not the necessary condition here. Okay? Size can be same and cannot be same, but the important condition is what there? Their shape, this should be same. Okay, getting it or not? Let me make some figure here. Let's say I'm making, this is what, can you tell me? Yes, square, small square. Okay, now one more I'm making, that is the big one, square. So are these both similar? Yes, because their shape is similar. This is square one, this is also the square shape. Okay, so the shape is similar, but the side doesn't matter. Side can be also same. Yes, remember, if again I'm making a similar sized square here, so these are also similar, but these are also similar. Why? Because they have same shape. Side doesn't matter, that I'm saying. Can be same also and cannot be same also. This is not the necessary condition. Okay, but the same, this is the necessary condition. Shape should be same. The shape should be same, isn't it? Okay, so I would be calling these two figures as the similar figure, and these two figures are also similar, isn't it? So we have a sign for the similar figures. Where the figures are similar, then you would put a sign there. So it is like this. I would say this small square is similar to the big one square, and this big one square is similar to this one, because both are having same shape but also having same size also. So they are also similar, isn't it? Getting it or not? So let's discuss some other examples. Let's take any circle. Small circle, big circle. These are also similar. All the circle throughout the world are similar, because all the circles have same shape, isn't it? Side doesn't matter. The radius of this one circle would be smaller, and the radius of this one circle would be the bigger somewhat, isn't it? So I would call these two circles are also as the similar one, isn't it? Getting it or not? Let me make two triangles now. Now just tell me, are these two triangles similar? Yes, because their shape is also same. How it is same? These figures, these two triangles are also same, because you can see both are having the same shape. Shape doesn't matter. But let me tell you one more thing. All the triangles are not similar. Let me make this one triangle now. Let me make this one triangle. Now just tell me whether this and this both are similar triangle. No. All the triangles are not similar, because these are both different types of triangle, isn't it? Yes. Here this might be equilateral triangle, but this is not. This is right angle triangle. So how can these two be similar? Isn't it? Here the shape is not same. The shape is not same. So you would not call these two triangles as similar. So we have concluded a point from here, the important point, that is all the triangles are not similar. All the triangles are not similar, but all circles throughout the world, if you see, all are similar, isn't it? Yes. Getting it or not? Square also, all the square all are similar. Getting it or not? Because the square we have a condition there, all sides should be similar and the angle should be of the 90 degree, isn't it? Yeah. But the triangles are of different types throughout the world. Okay, so you would not be calling all the triangles as the similar one. Okay, now let's discuss some other point. This already we have discussed in class 9th, if you have read there. That is congruent figures. Congruent figures means two figures are said to be congruent if they have same shape and size. These are the two necessary conditions now. Shape also should be same, as well as the size also should be same. The smaller circle and bigger circle are similar, but they are not congruent. Why? Their shape is same, but their size is not same here. This is smaller one, this is bigger one. How this can be the congruent one? If I'm making both of the same size, then I would be calling these two as the congruent triangles, circles, isn't it? Similarly, we can make other figures which are congruent there, okay? Like the equilateral triangle of the same size, these are also congruent. How? Because they have same shape also, as well as they have same size also, isn't it? So that is why we would be calling these figures as the congruent. So are you getting the difference between these two? Similar means what? Similar means the shape should be same, size doesn't matter, can be same also, remember, can be same, okay? But condition for the congruence is what? Shape and size both should be same, isn't it? So I can call that all congruent figures are similar, isn't it? Yes, all congruent figures are similar. These two triangles are congruent, as well as these two triangles are similar also. Why? Because they have same shape and same size also. So size doesn't matter. Size can be same in case of the similar one. Size can be same. If size is same, it's okay. But if size is not same, shape is same, then also you can call both the figures as the similar one, isn't it? So hope you are getting and the difference between the similar figures and the congruent figures now, okay? So for the similar, we have the condition. Condition is what? Shape should be same. Size doesn't matter. Getting it? But for the congruence, the condition is shape as well as the size both should be same, isn't it? Getting it now? Okay, now let's move ahead. Just note it down. Now we would be discussing the condition for the similarity. Two figures, we can say two polygons. Polygons means having three or more than three sides, okay? It includes triangles also. Polygons means having three and more than three sides. All the figures are polygon, okay? Now remember, two polygons of the same number of sides. If you have two polygons having same number of sides, let's say we have a polygon here having 6 sides, and here also we have a polygon having 6 sides. Let me make it first. Let's say we have a polygon here, and this polygon is having how many sides? If you see 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay? Now I am making another polygon also here that is also having same number of sides, okay? Now let's name it A, B, C, D, E, F. This is 6 sides polygon. Polygons means having 3 or more than 3 sides. Then another polygon I am making P, Q, R, S, T, U. This is the another polygon, okay? Now the condition is for the similarity is what? These two polygons are similar. Two polygons of same number sides are similar if condition number 1 is what? All the corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles means like the angle A. Angle A is here. So angle the corresponding angle of angle A in this one figure is angle P, isn't it? Okay. So it means if angle A is equals to angle P, and what is the corresponding angle of angle B here? It is Q. So angle B is equals to angle Q, isn't it? Means first our number. First condition is angle angle A is equals to angle B. Angle B is equals to angle Q. Sorry, angle P it is. Then you have angle B is equals to angle Q. Then corresponding to C is what? That is R. So angle C is equals to angle R. Then corresponding to D is what? S. Angle D is equals to angle S. Then corresponding to E is what? Corresponding to E is T. Angle E is equals to angle T. Then corresponding to F is what? U. Angle F is equals to angle U. So this is the first condition. Okay. If these two figures are following these two conditions, means angle A is equals to angle B, means all the corresponding angles are equal. This is the first condition. And the second condition is all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Corresponding sides means, let's say this is the side AB, so correspond to the corresponding side of AB in this one figure is PQ. Getting it? AB, PQ, then BC, QR. So their ratio also is same now. This is the second condition. Second condition is what? AB by PQ should be equals to BC by QR should be equals to CD by RS is equals to ED by TS is equals to FE by UT or TU and is equals to AF by PU. So if these two conditions are being followed in these two figures, then we would be calling these two figures as the similar. Okay, means the hexagon, this is the hexagon having 6 sides, means hexagon, means this one hexagon is equals to this one hexagon if and only if these two conditions are being followed. First condition is all the corresponding angles are equal. Second condition, all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Here corresponding side and here corresponding side, these two are the corresponding side, are in the same ratio, means all are equal, having equal ratio. Means this by this, let's say it is 5 by 3, this is also 5 by 3, this is also 5 by 3. Means the ratio of the corresponding sides in each case should be equal. So if these two conditions are being followed, then you would be calling these two figures as the what? Similar figures. So this is the example I have given you. These two are the conditions which you have to remember. Two polygons are similar if and only if all the corresponding angles are equal. All the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, isn't it? So hence what? Hence we would call, because these two conditions are being followed in these two figures, so hence we would call hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F is similar to hexagon P, Q, R, S, T, U, isn't it? So this is how you would write. Okay. So if you have been given two figures and you are to show whether these two figures are similar or not. So what you would show? First, just check their corresponding angle and then check their corresponding ratio of the corresponding sides. If all are same, then you would call such figures as the similar figures. So these two are the conditions now. Earlier we have just talked about in brief about the similar and congruent figures, but here we have the condition now. Okay, any figures you have been given, so if you are not able to judge it whether these are similar, so find these angles, etc. So you would be just knowing now how to find out the figures are similar and not, isn't it? Just note it down. So now this is the next, similar triangles. Okay, same the way we have done the polygons one, it is also similar, it's a part of that one. Okay, so two triangles are similar, you would call two triangles similar, conditions are same if and only first one condition is all the corresponding angles are same, means angle A is equals to angle P. This is the first condition, angle A is equals to angle P. Second one, angle B is equals to angle Q. Third one, angle C is equals to angle R. This is the first condition. And the second condition, all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, means AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR is equals to what? AC by PR. So if these conditions are being followed in these two triangles, then you would call, hence triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Getting it or not? Getting it or not? Okay, that is all for today. Now in the next video we would be discussing some questions on the basis of these similar and congruent figures. Okay, then stay tuned, keep watching. Thank you, have a good day.